So here we are, we've got a 500 litre pan mixer ready for dispatch to a client in the UK. We've got a remote pendant, remote control to operate the hydraulic opening door, the discharge chute. Beautiful engineering here. We've got a water meter on this mixer, the valve, open shut it. Very nicely engineered 500 litre mixer. This is not cheap. This is a very high quality mixer for those that are ready for it. Those that aren't, we also have plenty of other mixers, sizes, quality, different specs, different speeds, built for different jobs, different mixers. This one performs best in the semi-dry and obviously wet, but semi-dry. It's basically got the power, it's got the design to really smash that concrete, get it mixed, get it out fast. This mixer will put out concrete very fast compared to some of the other cheap mixers out on the market. If you're looking for high quality mix, high quality mixer, well, come to us and we'll give you some advice. Of course, if you like it, if you like the price, if you like the mixer, if you like what we can offer, let's get this sorted for you. We've been distributing this mixer for over 30 years now, and we're thrilled to say that one of the smaller ones that we first sold is still in Derbyshire and still operates today. How's that? Now, not great for us because we don't get to sell as many, but great for us because we have very thrilled clients. Very thrilled clients because they don't have to keep buying mixers. They don't have to keep wasting time with crappy mixers, and they can just buy one and it's nearly for life. So if you're interested, reach out. This is called a DZ500. This model is 500 litre out and hydraulic opening door, 18.5 kilowatt motor, electric motor for the hydraulics, and remote operation right in there. So it's available from Peveril